Okay, so in actual fact, with the Koto 8 panel, what a professional engineer is engineering is from the panel, he's actually engineering the shear wall columns and beams. And this is how the system of Koto 8 works. So on the exterior, as we can see here, this could be considered as your affordable housing. It's like a rendered and painted finish. Whereas if we were to use marble or granite or tiles or a better quality finish, it could be considered your upmarket housing. However, the panel or the building system is still identically the same. Now if we have a look over here, we can see a standard panel as it comes off the manufacturing line. In a standard panel, it has a male on the top and a female on the bottom. As a consequence, this is the type of finish that you can expect. It's actually very sturdy, as you can see, and that is the female finish that fits over the male for easy installation. Over here we have what we call the adverse climate panels. So these are for countries such as Saudi Arabia, 55 degrees, Russia, -40, because as we can see, the fiber reinforced coating on each side gives you far thicker insulation. And what's interesting here, we notice that we can change the dynamics of the engineering by cutting out the cores and the webs between the cores to fill with concrete to give us thicker beams. As we see over here, we have different choices. Gives you far superior insulation for those very cold or very hot climates. And of course the engineer will decide on how many reinforced concrete cores are going to be filled for the application. And as we can see over here, once again, we can remove the web within 30 seconds, and you will now see that you could create a larger core. So this will give you further insulation with your structural performance actually in the center of the panel. These once again can be vertical or horizontal panels. Now over here we have the standard 150 series panels. The standard 150 panels, as again you can see, if required, the webs can be taken out and replaced with your steel to give you a larger column connection to your beam. And if we look in here, this is the top of the bond beam panel. And the bond beam panel that you can see, this is where your steel, it's already cut out. All you have to do is place it and fill it full of concrete. Over here we can see that in the finishes you can have practically any finish that you like. So this is what we call our 150 series vertical panel. It will come up to the door height, to the door frame height. So therefore one panel on top of the door frame suits this particular panel. Over here we have a 200 series panel, meaning 200 millimeters wide. Again, the webs can be taken out if required, and once again any finish can be applied here. But it comes to you already pre-composite plastered by machine. So I think you'll find that quite interesting, and the simplicity of how this particularly works.
What's that you got in your hand, Kane?
Oh, in my hand? Okay, at the moment most people are using steel in their reinforced concrete. In actual fact, this is a product that all Koto buildings in the future will have. This is a replacement for steel, non-rusting, and can be used as an alternative to steel. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Press.